Hello dear viewers, that you can see a phone in my hand. This phone is Samsung Galaxy A41. Now today I'll show you how to connect OTG, can use Pendrive and mouse if you want in Samsung Galaxy A41 phone. And I will also show today if your phone OTG working or not working, and basically OTG connection turn on this option on or not. If you want to connect OTG to the phone first, I need to find the option called settings. When find settings option, then you have to go to settings. When you go settings, you can see an option called search settings. Then you have to click on its search icon and you need to write the search box OTG and click on search, but no result found. Basically this phone have not to turn on any option to get OTG connection. And second time you need to a OTG and pendrive, and OTG and pendrive connected the two well. When connection properly OTG and pendrive, third time you put this OTG on your phone. When your phone OTG, put this OTG on your phone and working connection working properly, it's with 5 seconds after installing it. But here I can see my phone OTG is working, and scroll down, you can see an option USB storage edit. You just click on it and show your phone pendrive files, and if your phone OTG not working, you just replace your phone OTG and solve your phone OTG not working problem. So if you want to like this video,